Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Hunter HP400 is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining optimal air quality in your home, acting as the lungs of your air purifier and working tirelessly to capture microscopic particles that can affect your health and comfort. This filter is specifically designed to fit your Hunter air purifier, ensuring a perfect seal and maximum efficiency in trapping dust, pollen, pet dander, mold spores, and other airborne irritants that circulate through your living spaces, making it a crucial investment for allergy sufferers, pet owners, and anyone prioritizing a cleaner, healthier indoor environment. Number 5. Hunter HF400 VP Replacement Filter Value Pack. Introducing the Hunter HF400 VP Replacement Filter Value Pack. This pack provides advanced filtration to ensure your air is cleaner and fresher. The EcoSilver pre-filter features silver nanoparticles that inhibit the growth of microorganisms like bacteria and viruses. It also contains coconut carbon to neutralize odors, smoke, and allergens. Experience true HEPA filtration that captures up to 99.9% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. This includes common irritants like smoke, dust, pollen, and pet dander. For maximum efficiency, replace the HEPA filter every 6 months and the pre-filter every 3 months. Adjust frequency based on your specific air quality and environmental factors. These filters are designed to fit Hunter air purifier models HP400, HP400 BLS, HP400 BLB, HP400 WHS, and HP400 WHGR. Ensure optimal performance by using the correct replacement. This value pack includes 1 HEPA filter and 2 pre-filters, offering a convenient and cost-effective solution for maintaining your air purifier's performance. What we like. This filter features advanced silver nanoparticles that actively prevent microorganism growth. If you're concerned about bacteria and viruses in your air, or want an extra layer of protection against germs, this is the one to choose. What people say. The filter is a perfect fit for the Hunter HP400 air purifier. It effectively captures dust, pollen, and pet dander, improving air quality. The HEPA filter technology ensures a high level of filtration for cleaner air. Number 4. Hunter HF800 VP Replacement Air Purifier Filter Value Pack. Ensure your home's air is clean with this genuine replacement filter value pack. It's designed to fit specific Hunter air purifier models for optimal performance. The coconut carbon pre-filter effectively neutralizes common household odors from cooking, cleaning, smoking, and pets. It also captures larger particles, protecting the main HEPA filter and extending its lifespan. Experience superior air quality with the true HEPA filter. It removes up to 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including smoke, dust, pollen, and pet dander. For maximum efficiency, it's recommended to replace the HEPA filter every 6 months and the pre-filter every 3 months. This can be adjusted based on your home's air quality. This value pack contains 1 replacement HEPA filter and 2 replacement pre-filters. You'll receive a total of 2 pre-filters in the package to keep your air purifier running smoothly. What we like. This value pack offers a genuine Hunter HEPA filter with a coconut carbon pre-filter. If you're looking for reliable, brand-name filtration that effectively tackles odors and extends the life of your main filter, this is a solid choice for your HP800 series purifier. What people say. The filter is a perfect fit for the Hunter HP400 air purifier. It effectively captures dust, pet dander, and other allergens, improving air quality. The HEPA filter is designed to remove up to 99.97% of airborne particles. Number 3. Filter Monster HEPA Filter Value Pack for Hunter HP400. Introducing the Filter Monster HEPA Filter Value Pack, designed to keep your air clean and fresh. This pack offers a comprehensive solution for your air purification needs. Our coconut carbon pre-filter goes beyond capturing large particles. It effectively eliminates VOCs, stubborn household odors, and pet smells, ensuring a truly purified environment. Experience superior air quality with our H13 True HEPA filter. It captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including smoke, dust, and allergens. Breathe easier knowing it removes dust, pollen, pet dander, mold spores, and more. Improve your home's air quality all year round. This value pack includes one H13 HEPA filter and two coconut carbon pre-filters. It's everything you need for effective air purification. Designed for seamless compatibility with the Hunter HP400 air purifier and the HEPA VP model. Enjoy effortless installation and optimal performance. What we like. This option boasts H13 grade filtration, offering superior particle capture and excellent VOC and odor elimination. If you're seeking a high-performance, compatible filter that specifically targets VOCs and tough household smells for your HP400, this is a great alternative. What people say. Work as described and easy to fit. Accurate fit for Hunter 400. These work great in my Hunter air purifier. Number 2. Hunter HEPA VP Replacement Air Purifier Filter Value Pack. Keep your Hunter air purifier running at its best with genuine HEPA VP replacement filters. This value pack is designed to fit specific models in the HP600 series. The coconut carbon pre-filter effectively neutralizes common household odors from cooking, cleaning, smoking, and pets. It also captures larger particles, helping to extend the life of the main HEPA filter. Experience superior air quality with the true HEPA filter. It removes up to 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including smoke, dust, pollen, and pet dander. By capturing larger particles first, the pre-filter significantly extends the lifespan of your HEPA filter. This ensures continued optimal performance for your air purifier. For maximum efficiency, we recommend replacing the HEPA filter every 6 months and the pre-filter every 3 months. Adjust frequency based on your home's air quality and environmental factors. Each value pack contains one replacement HEPA filter and 2 replacement pre-filters. This provides a complete solution for maintaining clean air in your home. What we like. This is a genuine Hunter replacement filter designed for the HP600 series, featuring a coconut carbon pre-filter for odor control and particle capture. If you own an HP600 model and want a trusted brand to maintain your air quality and extend the HEPA filter's lifespan, this is the ideal pick. What people say. This filter is a perfect fit for the Hunter HP400 air purifier. It effectively captures dust, pet dander, and other allergens, improving air quality. The filter is easy to install and replace, making maintenance hassle-free. Number 1. Hunter HP400 EcoSilver Pre-Filter. This pre-filter features silver nanoparticles that actively prevent the growth of bacteria and viruses on its surface, ensuring cleaner air. Infused with coconut carbon, it effectively neutralizes common household odors, smoke, and harmful pollutants, creating a fresher environment. It captures larger particles like pet hair and pollen, while also removing volatile organic compounds and reducing cooking or smoking odors. For best results, we recommend replacing this filter every 3 months. Adjust frequency based on your air quality and environment. Designed to seamlessly fit specific Hunter air purifier models, ensuring efficient operation. Each package includes 2 pre-filters, providing a convenient supply for your air purification needs. What we like. This pre-filter is specifically designed to combat microorganisms with silver nanoparticles and neutralize VOCs and odors. If your primary concern is eliminating odors, reducing harmful volatile compounds, and preventing microbial growth in your HP400, this specialized pre-filter is an excellent addition. What people say. The filter is a perfect fit for the Hunter HP400. It effectively removes odors and dust from the air. The HEPA filter captures 99.97% of airborne particles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.